Guys, we're going to Sri Lanka in a video version.
The heart of the Indian Ocean. Do you hear that? Boop, boop. Boop, boop.
It's my heart.
Boop, boop. Boop, boop.
I am
don't
the
know.
Indian Ocean.
Yeah, you are. I didn't know where that joke was going, so thank you.
Sri Lanka. We've been doing some reactions to Sri Lanka. We almost went to Sri Lanka a few months ago, but we didn't end up doing it because of time restraints. But hopefully, guys, next year we will be able to go to Sri Lanka. A lot of you are saying, please come to Sri Lanka. Please come tomorrow. That costs a lot of money. I am very far away right now. I'm in the center of the United States of America. That's probably the literally other side of the world.
And even though I'm in the Philippines, it's kind of hard to get there still. But after the last video we watched, which was like some of the places to visit in Sri Lanka, I really want to go. So we'll make it work.
Yeah. If you want to check out our adventures around other places in Asia and South Asia as well, like India and Nepal, you can check out our travel vlog channel, Tri-Fate Lifestyle. Link is down in the description below.
And then we also have reacted to a few other Sri Lanka contents on this channel. You can check it out. Please give us some suggestions on more, though.
All right, let's jump right into this. Here we go. The screen is opening very slowly on a train track.
Like I'm slowly waking up.
Kind of a horrifying noise. Yeah. Let's see some beautiful destinations, baby.
First is a hand, now a face.
Is that a tea farm? Ooh. It's so random that that's just there and like this big farm field terraces.
That's a tall mountain.
The waves there look big. Like Bali big. I like the crane.
Oh, he's just flooring it in there. Oh.
Wow. I wonder how it would be driving in Sri Lanka, because I feel like Sri Lanka would be a good place to get a car and drive around.
A lot of people like rent tuk-tuks for the first time, I
Yeah.
feel like.
Yeah. So maybe we could rent a tuk-tuk. It'd be really cool to be able to actually like move at our own pace freely around. Meep meep. Meep meep. Meep meep. Because I mean, getting the train system in Sri Lanka also looks like it's pretty good, but train systems limit what you can do, and you're stuck on a schedule, which kind of sucks.
Trains go to cities.
Yeah, not the middle of the mountains. Cat. Is that a bread tuk-tuk?
Bread tuck? Bread talk? Bread tuck?
Bread tuk. Oh, there's just a random woman in there. Oh, a Koki.
Oh, monkey.
It's the most cinematic shots I've ever seen of a tuk-tuk.
Just wait until we rent one.
Oh, yeah.
carrots and tomatoes.
Oh. I think I just smashed a coconut.
Wow.
They're really showing a lot of trains. The train system must be really nice. Wow, look at that.
Time to sleep. That's really slow close. I'm trying to line it up.
Wow. Sri Lanka is a beautiful, beautiful place.
Yeah, I mean, there's so much to visit. We saw even more little spots and a lot of people that look pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, it looked pretty dang epic. I want to rent a tuk tuk and drive around those beautiful mountains and get jumped by a monkey.
What about renting a tuk tuk in the Philippines in Siargao, sir?
I could have done it, but
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. I think you got
Just-
it.
I just needed a parking lot to drive it around for like 20 minutes to figure it out.
That's a true story. We tried to rent. We were thinking about renting a tuk tuk.
It could have happened.
I could have, maybe.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, we're going to be in Sri Lanka sometime. Just check out our vlog channel and eventually we will be there. We got some epic series coming up on there like Nepal and some other countries in Southeast Asia. But after that, Sri Lanka's looking good.
Looking good, Sri Lanka. Let me just stop by really quick. Let me just make a little pit stop. Let me just jump in there.
See you in the next one. Bye.